Hi everyone, so today I'll be making a earring, and I'm actually finding it difficult to choose between this gold chain and this colored chain. Which one do you think I should use, this or this? And I'll be using it with this black beads, this. So should it go with this or should we use this? I don't know. So let's get started. So I'll be using this bead right here. I'll be using this as the base, this right here as the base. Then I'll be using some of these. So and this. So basically these are all we'll be using. But first of all, let's create a jump ring that we'll be using. This wire right here. This is 20 gauge. So I'll need to roll it and form into jump ring as usual. Then we cut. Okay. I don't know why. I think I ordered the new cutter. I don't know. Why have I not gotten it? One of these, and these. Then you close. Make sure they're properly closed. We'll be needing, let's call it 6 equal lengths of chain. I think I want to go for this, like this and this together. I think it's gonna be a good combination, right? This should be a good combination. So now I have 6 pieces of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this chain are really so tiny, I'll be making use of tiny jump ring also. So the first thing I'm going to do is attach this bead to the base. So I'll be using, so it's going to be like 3 strands like this. Is this longer? It's going to be 3 strands like this. And 5 beads will be here, while 3 beads will be on the side. So let's see how it goes. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 4. Let's see how it goes. 5. Because this I've forgotten its name now. It's short, so we'll be using 4. Yeah. And the next thing is just to bend like this and connect this. There's a hole right here, so just let it enter. Then you fold just to close that up. Okay, then you can bend a little just for balance. So this is what we have right here. So this is what we have right here. So for the sides, I'll be using 2. One, 2. Then I'll cut off the excess, then bend. Let me cut some more. Then bend. Like I'm practically repeating the process. Then insert these into this. Then I'll close. So this is what I have for the sides. So I'll just bend this a bit for balance. So now let's connect these to the base. So with the help of these tiny jump rings, I'll be connecting this to the base. So I have this tiny jump ring right here. Then I'll just look for the opening, or open it up, then connect here. Then this will be in the middle. Come on. Okay, let me open it more. So this will be in the middle. Then I'll close. So this is for the middle. Oh, it's still long. I actually don't want it to be this long, but then I guess at this point, there's no going back. Then for the other side, so this right here is what we have. Like, do you like it? This right here is what we have. So let's do the second one also. We have the base here. Balance. So this is what the first one looks like. And this last side. Then you close. So this right here is what we have. This right here is what we have. Beautiful.